Guys, it's Ashley from Rada to Reviews, and today we're unboxing Sips By. So today's February 3rd. This is my December box. So before you are really Ashley, this came really late. And then my kids were quarantined. Do you remember that? So I'm behind. I'm catching up, working on it. Always working to be better. So if you're not familiar with Sips By, this is a customized tea subscription box. Basically, when you sign up with Sips By, you're going to fill out a little survey about your tea preferences, your flavor profile, and things that you like. And then from there, Sips By will send you a monthly box with 4 teas based on your profile. From there, though, you can go in and tell Sips By what you thought of the teas, and they will further refine your profile, which is really cool. It's a great box. It's only $15, so that's pretty awesome. I will link down below to them with my affiliate link if you're interested in checking them out. I'll also link to my full review down below too. All right, let's just do it. Just do it. Anyway, December tea. So this is our insert, and then on the back it's going to tell you each of the teas in here, and then tell you their caffeine level, a little bit more about the company, and then there are usually coupons for additional purchases at that retailer's website, which is pretty cool. Pretty cool. You also always receive a little packet of disposable tea bags because some of the teas that you get in here are loose leaf. So that's cool. All right, first up I see 4 bags from the Republic of Tea. The Republic of Tea makes these cool little circular tea bags, which I think are cool. I've received a bunch of teas from them in the past. This is their ginger peach green tea, which is one I've never tried. I do love the color of it. It's very cute. So that's something to try. Green tea is one of those teas you can kind of drink like at 2 o'clock because it has caffeine, but it doesn't have a lot of caffeine. It's not like coffee at all, like where black tea is kind of a morning tea. All right. Then we've got, this is from Walters Bay. I have never heard of this brand, a new to me brand, but this is their Earl Grey, made with Ceylon black tea. Says tea with a purpose. Without question, the care provided to our workers and their families is directly reflected in the quality of our tea. By purchasing this tea directly from a grower, you are promoting social and environmental sustainability. These initiatives include childcare centers, schools, retirement savings plans, and medical care for our tea estate workers and their families. As a grower, our care for the land and its resources is sacred. Like the growers at your local farmers market, we at Walters Bay take great pride in what we grow. So that's kind of cool. I like hearing that. That makes me happy. All right, then we have Stash Tea, White Christmas. So there's 4 bags of what they call White Christmas, which sounds beautiful. I've had plenty of tea from Stash. I've never heard of this one though. So this has white tea, peppermint, and ginger root, which sounds kind of fantastic, and I can't wait to try it. That's white tea, also has low caffeine, but I'm gonna wait till tomorrow. It is now like 3 o'clock, so. All right, so there's 4 bags of that, and then finally, from Tea Kitten, we have the Tart Tea to the Part Tea. This is caffeine free. I, in my little survey, like a mix of caffeinated and herbal. So this is a really good, it ran the gamut, right? We've got black tea, we've got green tea, we've got white tea, we've got herbal. So this is a loose leaf. Says, we're not kidding when we say that this is the perfect copycat to fruit punch. Brew it hot and cuddle up with a mug in the evening, or brew it cold for a refreshing, fruity delight. You got to. You slay me. Try this. So in here you have hibiscus, which is going to give it that beautiful red color, like fruit punch. Apple, papaya, currants, strawberry, elderberries, black currants, flavoring raspberries, strawberries, sunflower, and cornflower. And then there are steeping instructions. All right, so let's look at our insert. So we know the Tart Tea to the Party is caffeine free. There is a 15% off coupon code included. The White Christmas Tea is low caffeine. There is also a 15% off coupon code for that. The Ginger Peach Green Tea is low caffeine, and that has a buy 3 get 1 free coupon code. And then the Earl Grey is obviously high caffeine. There is not a coupon code for that one, but that's okay. So for 15 bucks, you're getting a ton of tea. This is great if you're like into the discovery of new teas. Like I've heard of a lot of brands in this box. If you want to try new flavors and stuff like that, because you can't find a lot of tea when you go to the grocery store. And even at the farmer's market, you're getting what that person purchased. You know what I mean? So you get a lot of different things to try. And if you're into trying new flavors, this just might be the thing for you. So anyway, like I said, I will link down below to Sips By and also to my full review where, you know, we'll talk a little more. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.